Be changing my glow plug, so I'm going to test it first. Diesel Mercedes 81 to 85. First we take this off, then we'll take this off. Right, I got a link below on how to test glow plugs in a diesel Mercedes, but anyways, I'm showing you real quick. Jumper cables here. Let's see if we can get a spark. So number 2, no spark. That gets a spark. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. Then I'm going to disconnect this little place right here. There's glow plug number 2, and get an 8mm socket on there, and we're good to go. We'll start with that. Alright, so first thing we did, we got the wire off with the 8mm ratchet. Take this wire and tuck it up under here, and then we'll get that with a 12mm. Just put it on there, you know, don't have to snug it in there. It's kind of lightly on there, and then we're going from the side, and we're just pumping up like that. That's been the easiest way to get it. Alright, so when you get to the end, just kind of wiggle it and turn it, wiggle it and turn it, wiggle it and turn it until it comes out. Now don't get me wrong, I've had them swell up in there. Glow plug number 3 swelled up. There's a link to getting that one out in the description below, as well as glow. Alright, glow plug number 2 is out. Once again, I got these, like, I think paid $15 for 10 of them. The glow plug. Okay, so we got it on and tight. Once again, this is the trick, just have it on there loose. Alright, next put the wire on using this 8mm ratchet, and then we're going to put this plug back on. I believe it goes right on there. Right on there. We're good. So we'll go here. It's fine. I'm just showing you real quick. It's pretty simple. Check out the video below in the details. 3 is working. 4 is working. 3 is working. 1 is working. As long as it gets a spark, it's working. And 2 is working. Also, check out in the details below on how to change glow plug number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got them all in separate steps. Please subscribe. Alright, if you're lucky, and I hope you are, these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 8mm combination wrench, 8mm socket, 12mm socket, 12mm combination wrench, and 3, I guess it's like a 3/8 drive, and that's like a smaller drive. I guess that's a 1/4 inch drive. And you might need PB, magnet, you need a screwdriver, and that's it. So check out the links below on how to change